Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to hide Threads badge from Instagram profile. Okay, first things first, open up your Instagram app. Head to your profile, then, once you are here, press your Threads badge. When you press it, a selection will then appear. You can either view Threads profile or hide the badge. Since you want to hide the Threads badge, what you want to do is to just hide it. And a confirmation shall appear. After that, just check it, and then you'll no longer see the Threads badge. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now hide Threads badge from Instagram profile. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.